Now, there are 3 confirmed cases of the coronavirus here in Maryland. Health officials say 3 people came down with symptoms after traveling overseas. Now, they have not said exactly where they went, but all 3 of them are at home under self-quarantine. We have team coverage this morning on the growing concerns about the coronavirus. Aaron McPherson's live on the campus of Johns Hopkins University, where they're taking some drastic steps to keep the virus from spreading. First, though, let's go to Megan Knight. She is at the State Health Department in Baltimore. Megan, Governor Larry Hogan said we shouldn't be panicking, but he did declare a state of emergency last night. What does that mean?
All right, Christian. So by doing that, Governor Larry Hogan says this will allow state and local agencies to essentially fast track their coordination efforts to try to prevent the spread of the virus now that it's officially here in Maryland, and also continue to raise awareness and get people prepared. But again, make sure that they're not panicking as well. Hogan has asked for about $50 million in funding for things that could go towards research about the virus. He's also asked for a supplemental budget of about $10 million for emergency coronavirus preparedness expenses. Now, state health officials say those 3 people who tested positive for the coronavirus did travel overseas. Where exactly, we don't know, but they came back to the U.S. on February 20th. Then they went to the hospital on March 3rd after experiencing flu-like symptoms. They're all said to be in good condition. They all live in Montgomery County, and they will be staying at home under self-quarantine. Fran Phillips is the Deputy Secretary of Public Health for the Maryland Department of Health, and she says right now their focus is trying to figure out where these 3 people went from the time they came home to the time that they went to the hospital.
To understand what kinds of associations they had with people, what kind of contact. Was it casual contact? Was it close contact?
Probably could see more people being tested once they figure out exactly who these 3 people did come into contact with. As of right now, 31 people in our state have been tested for the coronavirus. Of those, we now have those 3 confirmed cases of the virus. 17 tests have come back negative and 11 are still pending. We're live in downtown Baltimore. Megan Knight, WMAR 2 News.
Megan.